Hi. Welcome to our video on Agile practices and principles in the unified process. We need a process to balance the cost, quality and time in software development, operating with many individuals of different specializations. It helps split the work into specific phases for better planning and management. Unified process is an incremental and iterative software process, or rather, framework, where each phase can interact with previous phases while giving priority to the critical tasks early in the project life cycle. The framework can be customized to the organization. Development is driven by use cases, making strong use of UML for communication, while focus is kept on good architecture and risk management. The process has four main phases as inception, elaboration, construction, and transition. At inception, requirements gathering and feasibility study is performed. Business case and scope identification, time and cost estimation, and risk assessment also mainly fall under this phase. At elaboration, most requirements are identified in detail. This phase also includes refining use case diagrams, creating conceptual and package diagrams and creating a detailed iteration plan. In construction, engineers build the components, develop system architecture, develop acceptance criteria, and assess product against acceptance criteria. During transition, support material like documents are completed, a test release is developed, user feedback is collected and the final release is made incorporating feedback. Then, what is Agile? It is a set of principles for software development where requirements and solutions evolve through collaboration between self-organizing, cross-functional teams. Software is developed through several iterations, developing new functionalities based on user stories, releasing working software in each sprint. Improvements are also made to current functionalities from user feedback. The Agile Manifesto emphasizes individuals and interaction over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, collaboration with customers over contract negotiation and responding to change over following a plan. So, what Agile practices and principles can be identified in the unified process? Being incremental, bits of functionality are added progressively based on user priority while being iterative. Further refinements are made to the existing functionalities. This combination provides new functionalities and improves existing functions at the same time. Continuous delivery and integration allows users receive new functionalities at the end of each iteration. Consequently, unified process involves continuous automated testing throughout development. Risk is minimized in Agile, being an iterative approach. Unified process further manages risk through completing critical tasks as early as possible in the life cycle. While changing requirements are welcomed, unified process prefers comparatively stable requirements in the long term, being more scalable and document-heavy. Continuous client involvement and communication throughout the development cycle is another key Agile principle in unified process. Maintaining a constant pace in development is a key Agile principle, and while unified process is relatively more planned, as an iterative method, it divides activities across phases and maintains a relatively constant work pace. Emphasis on technical and design excellence is an important Agile principle found in unified process. To conclude, it can be stated that unified process is a hybrid of the linear waterfall model and Agile development for scalability in large projects. We hope you understood the concepts. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.